Welcome back everybody, welcome back to the Doc Squiffy channel. Hope you've had a great weekend. So today we're going to follow up on all our latest update videos on what we need to do with our Firestick. So today it's all about checking for viruses. Viruses within your apps, checking your apps for what they're doing wrong. We've done this before. This is the 2022 update and we're going to get right on with it. But before we do that, do remember, hit that subscribe button if you're brand new here. You will find everything you need for your Firestick or streaming related, whether it's Android as well. Plus, if you're a regular watcher, a share really helps us out. So today, we're going to check our apps for viruses. And this is on your Firestick, but you can do it on a Fire TV as well, everything like that. There's two apps we can do to do this. I prefer the first one I'm going to show you. A lot of other people prefer the second one I'm going to show you. And I'll show you how to install them both as well. So, first one we're going to try is VirusTotal. So we're going to open VirusTotal up. You just hit on scan. And why are we doing this again? We are doing this again because we've had loads of new followers. Plus, we've all reset up our Firesticks, put loads of new apps on. This is a great thing to do monthly anyway. So we should all be checking. So you may have forgotten about it. You may have it installed, but you may have forgotten about it. Right. With VirusTotal, it will pop up with this. Ignore it. Just click OK. Doesn't make any difference. It still worked. Once we're in VirusTotal, what we're looking for on the left is green ticks, okay? Green ticks tell you the apps are safe. So you scroll down, and as you see, mine will all be green ticks because I check every app I put on my website and everything we install. You might also see some get a few detected, but they're just minor things. You will find certain adult apps will have a few detected. This is because Google will flag adult apps because they do not have adult apps in their stores. You might have a few detected for things which don't come from Amazon store officially. But, you know, there's a few in there, but there's nothing to worry about which they are. Okay, they're all clean what is in there. Okay, so it's not a problem. If they're not flagged in red, in my opinion, we can keep them. If you've got anything red, uninstall them. To uninstall an app, you can either do it in here by pushing the 3-line button on an app. So you can push it on there and click uninstall. That's your best bet. If not, you can just go to applications and select it and uninstall it there. Okay, that one is VirusTotal. We're installing a second. Next one is called DefSquid. DefSquid actually does more than just check your apps. It also checks through your privacy status, your speed checking, everything like that. But actually, on a virus scan, we're going to click on before it does the other stuff. It will go through your virus scan. The reason I don't like it too much is because it actually takes quite a lot longer to do. It's a lot slower than the other one. But you can start a deep scan and it will go through all your apps for you and it will detect them. But it does take a lot longer. We'll get it running and we'll pop back on this after I showed you how to install them. So, the first one we're going to install is VirusTotal. So, if you go to Find on your Firestick and search, type in here Downloader, D-O-W, and you'll see come up underneath Downloader. Click it, and here you need to just click and install. Don't open it yet unless you know what you're doing. The rest of us, we go across to Settings, then go to My Fire TV, Developer Options, ADB Debugging On, Install Unknown Apps. So click on Install Unknown Apps, you scroll down to Downloader, make sure it is turned on for Downloader. If at this point you only have unknown apps, just turn it on if you're on the older user interface. Brilliant. Back to our home screen. You need to find Downloader again. Mine's just down here. If not, just search it. Get it open. And in here, we're going to type my website. My website is linked directly underneath. So if you want to put this VirusTotal on your mobile phone, you can. It works fine on there. If you want to put them on an Android box, Nvidia Shield, just type the link underneath on a web browser. In here, in the Downloader app, to make it easier, we can type 75726 and then click Go. That will load up my website for us. While we're waiting for that, drop me a comment, guys. Let me know of any apps you may find which do flag up. Be interesting to know. Right, we're going to scroll down. Right, nothing on the new update time. We haven't put it up there. It's a bit further down in downloaders and tools, okay? So we want to get... Right, so we would need to get VirusTotal here. We also have the DefSquid here. if you can't get it from the other way I'll show you in a minute. So you can download Death Squid from here directly, no problem. But today we'll demonstrate with VirusTotal. Click it. And then we click on the big grey download button, okay? Really easy. You'll see it. Download. Click on download. It'll be down in seconds. Then behind my head, we click on install. And then you click on done. And you can delete that file because that's just a download file. We've already got it installed now. And that is done for you. You can repeat those steps if you want to install Death Squid as well. But back on our home screen for us, if you want to find Death Squid, you may have it in your Amazon store. So go to search. DEF Squid, okay? And you might be able to find it there for you, okay? And just to install it directly. Some do, some don't, depending on the countries. Obviously, you need to do a virus scan in this one. It doesn't run when you're not in it, which is a shame. I prefer the other one we scanned to earlier. I prefer VirusTotal for me, but each to their own. We've shown you how to install both. Just open them up. If you can't find them, just go to your three squares again with the plus sign, and they will be within here for you, okay? VirusTotal has this symbol. Death Squid has this symbol, but yours are most likely right at the bottom if you're just installing them. Brilliant. Before we leave, if you want any more updated videos on your Firestick, we've released loads recently to keep you all up to date for 2022, including one for maybe an adult app, your remote's not working, buffering, stop it recording you, jailbreaking it, jailbreak, sideloading it, updates, make it faster, some settings you need to delete, so much on here. So many big videos we've done over the last few weeks, and it's been awesome how many of you liked them. So do hit that subscribe. If you're worried about malicious apps and your security online, it is worth maybe getting a VPN installed on your Firestick. The link for a VPN is directly underneath. These are available directly from the Amazon App Store, but you get the account, log in, IP vanish. This is an affiliated link from one of our partners, so if you're not interested, that's up to you. Feel free to search them anyway, but it is linked directly underneath for ease for you. And before you go, we have linked our socials underneath. We've got my Twitter, we've got my Facebook page, we've also got Facebook groups, we've also got Instagrams, TikToks, and multiple other YouTube channels. Check them out as well underneath, and I'm out of here. I've been Doc Squiffy on the Doc Squiffy channel. Do remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that share if you're a regular watcher, and I'll see you soon.